go. You can fight it. No. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a video on how I take my own photos. So I do talk about this a lot, that I take all of my own photos. I am self-efficient AF, and I wanted to share my secrets. I wanted to show you how I go about doing it, taking my own photos, choosing a location and posing while I'm on my own. So we are in lockdown, so I think for a lot of people it's hard to get photos taken of us. I live alone, so I can't get anyone to take my photos, so it's something that I've kind of learned to do. I've got a lot better doing it while I've been in lockdown, so I really want to help a few people out. If you want to take your own photos, all you need is a phone and a tripod. I mean, you don't even need a tripod really, but I feel like it's a lot easier with a tripod. Mine cost me like 20 quid, I'll put it in the description. It's nice to take your own photos, it's nice to not rely on other people, and it also helps overcome that anxiety of, you know, taking photos in public alone. It does for me anyway. So I've got a location in mind. It is in a park in East London, and there's a bridge, and basically under the bridge it's really cool, it's really different, and I want to shoot under there. So this is the outfit that I'm shooting today. It is from ASOS and it's all Puma. The bag's from Boohoo, and then I'm going to be wearing my Puma trainers to match. I really wanted to get some dope photos in it. I think the location matches really well with it. I think that's another thing that's really important. Choose a location that fits really well with your outfit. So yeah, enough talking, let's go. So I'm near at the park. It was a bit of a long walk, but it's going to be worth it. So my hair's gone a little bit flat, a bit annoyed, but it's fine. It's still going to look cute, hopefully. This is where I'm going to go, under this bridge, and there's a really cool little location under there where I'm going to shoot. I'm just happy that it's still sunny because I'm a little bit late, I'm not gonna lie. I've probably got the sun for the next half an hour, but it's only gonna take me half an hour hopefully. Here we go. So this is the location. It's always empty, yay! And the sun's just peeking through, which is gonna look really nice on the photos. Good, because like no one can see you, but you've still got all this backdrop. Okay, so I'm gonna put you down here. Oh, you're right down there. Yep, cool. All I've got is my tripod. I have red paint on there because I did a Halloween shoot. I haven't had a chance to wipe that off yet, but in case anyone's wondering. All I do is get the frame all set up where I want to be in the shot. I think that's perfect. You can see my hair, you can see my outfit. Got my remote clicky thing. This is actually connected via Bluetooth, and then I just click on it to take the picture, and I can either do it self-timer or I can just do it as I go. So I'm going to put it on self-timer. Let's go. So this is one of the moments where you get unwanted company. Like, you're just gonna stay and chill here. Why? Just why? And now I'm gonna do some like headshots. So it's a little bit closer, and I've put my tripod legs a little bit higher, so it's at the same height as me. Easy peasy. So I've just finished shooting. Sorry if my nose is running, it's a little bit cold. Finally able to put my jacket back on. Little distraction with the guys, but we move. I kept it moving and I managed to get them done in 30 minutes, which I said. So yeah, it's actually really beautiful lighting now. So towards the end of the shoot, I got this really nice golden hour light on my face, on my hair. Like, it just looked really cute actually, if I don't say so myself. It was a success. I'm gonna go home and show you the photos. Get me home. All in a day's work, love. Okay, I'm home. I am really happy because I had a successful solo shoot, and now I'm going to show you how I edit my photos. I don't really do much on my Instagram photos other than just enhance what's already there. So I give it a little glow, I make it a little bit more saturated, and you know, just tweak it here and there. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm literally going to be editing, talking through it, and then putting the screen on the left hand side. Also, because you can see my phone, I may as well self-promote. This is one of my hand-painted phone cases. You can buy these on jadelarisse.co.uk, and I also sell them on Depop, Poker London. The link's in the description, so check them out and support your local artists. It says don't be afraid. It was like a Halloween-inspired phone case, but I guess that's kind of seasonal. Don't ever be afraid. Okay, so the first app that I'm using is Facetune 2. This is what I use to enhance most of my photos. Here's one I did earlier. And then I'm going to pick out my favourite. I'm going to pick out 3 favourites. Usually takes me like 2 or 3 minutes for each photo. I'm not going to spend any longer than that. I'm going to go with this one first. So first I'm going to go with the retouch section. And then I'm going to click on vibrance and make my hair brighter. This just makes it more bold, and my hair should be brighter anyway. Then I'm going to go with black and white, and I'm going to make the background a little bit more black and white so I stand out a little bit more. And keep the yellow because I like the yellow on the wall, it's quite nice. I didn't like the green in the background on the bridge, so bye bye. Then I'm going to click on glow, and this is just going to basically what it says on the tin, make me glow. Turn it up a little bit but not too much. And also I'm going to detail my eyes. I do this a lot, my eyes and my lips. I like my features to stand out. Then I'm going to go on the edit section. This is just like overall editing. I'm going to put the contrast up a little bit, the colour, and my favourite, the grain, the light, shadows, etc. I'm just doing little tweaks just to make it look a little bit more fresh and vibrant. So I'm going to do the same with the other photos. And literally takes me like 5 minutes to do this. That's it. Here are the final photos. I really wanted to give you guys, you know, all the tea, all the secrets, which are really simple at the end of the day. It's just about, I guess, practicing and finding what works best for you. You know, it's super easy for me now, but I know when I started doing it, it wasn't as easy. So I hope that light keeps going on and off. Okay, I'm going to stop doing this video. I feel like there's a ghost watching me right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and some tricks, some inspiration on being self-efficient and taking your own damn photos. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day.